So starting this year, we might have to level up PMG network here. We're having some technical difficulties by June because the next school year will be very busy. As in, super duper busy talaga. It's because of lack of ideas that is coming, because of the school ideas comes first before us. Dahil ang pinakauna talaga ang pag-aaral. This is why we have to study really that hard anyway. But one thing is PMG really going to end around college days or after? But we hope that PMG would last forever, and it will be last forever, that long. But before that, we will have to start level up the network here. Ang tinatawag ito ay expansion of the network. We have to expand by level up those videos, and we have to do so. Since nasa high definition na tayo, it's really gonna be awesome. It is just because our cameras are still in standard definition or the ratio of 4:3 dahil may expectations na magkaroon ng HD siya, because we have to save a lot of budgets here, and that's it. And also, the Star Butterfly Plus is a good feedback here, and I just asked Diana Marie Polidario just sent it to me, and it's really fan-made or handmade plush, since there isn't a real one yet, because Star vs. the Forces of Evil is really new, but di talaga mag-release yung tunay ng plush ng Star Butterfly. We have to wait for the America to do this, and we'll just have to tune in every Monday. Dahil dyan, may announcement pa ako sa inyo. So, Jason here, or Edalhope 345, or eStar99 in YouTube, we have an announcement that his debut for his voice is probably going to be on the 24th of April, and also the upcoming June. So it's not really Jason month, so it's actually Jason day, because we have so many favorite characters over here. We have like Star Butterfly, Mabel, Dipper, Gumball, Darwin, and pretty much more. So Jason Day is gonna be on June 20th, and it's not really the whole month of Jason because I'm really busy that month. It's the month of school, and it's actually the start of the rainy season. It's actually going to rain for some occasions, and also it's very hot still in the Philippines. You might be exhausted that time, and we don't know that we're gonna do some plus adventures, and it's actually going to be a part of Realitex, or reality with some vortex, with the stormy action and some hurricane actions. Of course, it's actually not related to a stormy weather here. It is actually the temptation or to level up the network into the most promising event of all. And that would lead our 4th anniversary this year. Next year, 5th anniversary na tayo of PMG. And especially, I work here in YouTube, of course. That's all for this update. Ask Miggy 7215 will be next, so please stand by.